right, taking a look outside and just being out there earlier, I said, it's so nice.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
I just need to spend at least an hour out here while the sun is setting.
And that's the thing is it's hard to enjoy knowing how much we need the rain
Yeah.
and how much the wind is causing concerns. But it feels comfortable. It's the time of year, we're not getting too much humidity just yet, but that is part of the problem too. We've got a cold front that's going to be taking what little humidity we have in the air and almost removing it here tomorrow, because behind this dry cold front is even drier air. And no, we're not going to get any rain out of this front as it arrives here tomorrow. It is going to change the wind direction though. Instead of a south wind like we've been dealing with much of today, the wind will be coming out of the west and northwest, which dries the air out even more. And you can see what these wind gusts are like even as early as 5:30 in the morning, gusting 20 to 25 miles per hour. Then those wind gusts get stronger by late morning, gusting up to 40 plus in some parts of the area. Right now, we think the hill country gets the strongest wind here tomorrow. And then those wind gusts only slowly come down during the afternoon, but still gusting 20 to 30 miles per hour, and then continuing to stay breezy tomorrow night. It's not until finally we get into Thursday morning that those wind gusts come way down. But the wind is only part of the story. The dry air is the other part. You can see relative humidity values 80 to 95% ahead of the front at 5 in the morning. And then behind the front, that much drier air means the relative humidity values drop down into the single numbers, meaning less than 10% by tomorrow afternoon. And then the air stays reasonably dry, but starts to try to recover as we get into Thursday. All this means is that the wildfire risk is as high as it gets, extreme, 5 out of 5. According to the Texas A&M Forest Service, just about everybody in that except portions of Milam, Lee, and Fayette counties. So this means we've got to do our absolute best here tomorrow. Certainly don't burn, not even close to that, but don't do anything that may even start sparks or a flame, even on accident. Red flag warning begins at 5 in the morning tomorrow and continues all the way until 9 in the evening for the combination of gusty wind and dry air. Now, temperatures ahead of the front, 80s and 70s across much of the state, but it is going to be not quite as warm tomorrow, although I wouldn't call it cool. We'll get down into the upper 50s to start your morning, and then we'll bounce back to 78. Now today we got to 87, so still it's a cool down, but 74 is normal, so we're going to be cooling down to being still above average here tomorrow. So 78, mostly sunny, windy and cooler, and that extreme fire danger through the day. We look for rain, for maybe some relief to this. And there is a chance for rain and thunderstorms with yet another cold front Sunday night into early Monday. Right now, rain chances are limited, but if we can get some thunderstorms to develop here, there is already a severe weather risk for portions of Milam County that could get extended farther southwest into the metro if our confidence in storms goes up. Right now, we don't think we'll get a lot of rain for the most part, a quarter inch or less when you add up Sunday and Monday, but let's hope that it starts to trend a little stormier than it currently looks. Here's a look at our first warning weather 7-day forecast. By the way, Thursday, beginning of spring, actually starts rather cool in the low 40s in Austin. We could get some patchy freezes in the hill country Thursday morning. We end up at 72 in the afternoon. That'll be the coolest day of the week. Then it's back to 80s Friday, mid 80s Saturday, upper 80s on Sunday before that next front knocks us down just a little bit into low 80s Monday, and then mid 80s with sunshine Tuesday. We'll be right back.